Good morning, everyone. Welcome back here again to my bathroom project. So right now, as you can see, we're almost done the plumbing preparations. The only thing right now that we have to do is the shower valve control. Right. So what what do we have here is one of the it's one of this thermostatic two-way control shower valve. So this is how it looks like. What's the model? The model of this thermostatic is this one here, W2123, two-way. What's the brand? This one. We got this one from Aqua Design. Yeah. Alright, so we're adding a handheld for this. So the handheld. So what I like on this one here, it has two outlet for the handheld, either left if you want to go on the left side, or the right one. Right, so this is the outlet for the shower head, hot and cold. This is for if you want to have a downspout. We're not putting this, we're not putting nothing, we're not touching this one. So we only adding a handheld, which is on the right hand side, not this one. So as you can see already here, this is where it's supposed to be going. Right here. The handheld will be here. Right. And I set it up to about 48 high. This one is the min max. So your finish should be, I would prefer, this is the min max. I would probably go in between. The finish part will be the somewhere on in between. Probably you can go right there too, right? So all right, let's do this one. So to remove the plug, like this guys, you need a 12 millimeter. This is torque. Like this guys. Remove those. So now what we're trying to remove here. This one here. We'll remove this plug. We'll put it here. Oh wow, it's tight. Holy. How? Can't believe it. They make this too tight. That's unbelievable. Maybe I have to mount it. Okay, I already mounted on the 2x4. So it's supposed to be that way. Yeah. Holy shit! Yeah, there. Okay, so now we're done with that. We're just gonna use the same one. We're gonna use this pipe joint. It has already a rubber seal right there. Here's the rubber seal. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's get everything ready, all the fittings. Last one. All right, now it's ready to put flux on it. This one here for now. Okay, so now it's ready to weld. I'm just gonna put my mask on. Okay, all right. These guys are ready to go. So I just use one of the pipe joint compound. Yep. I think I have to remove this because I can tighten. Okay. Where's it hot? Can you check this pipe? That's okay. Alright, we're going to solder this one first. This two, that, and this one. We'll need this one last. All right, so now we're all done, all the fittings. Now it's time to double check if there's any leak. So what I did here, I create some plug like this ones, same as the shower head right there. All right, I plug them up just to make sure, check all the line if there is no leaks or anything like that. So same here too, right? Just want to make sure there's no leak. Right, so same thing. My standing freestand faucet, the freestand faucet tub. So I also create the plug, and then I plug those ones. So same thing on this vanity faucet, right? Oh, anyhow, it's not plugged. Yeah, it's not connected. Sorry, but later on, I don't want to put it yet because I want to put the cabinet first and then put it after. Okay, so now I just test this one earlier. I just opened this one here just to make sure, and there's no leak. You want to make sure if there is a leak from the soldering, right? And then that one too, I just checked it just now. Everything is good, so it's all good. Yeah, so that's what I do. Before I close it up, everything, I want to check it first, everything, make sure there's no leak, right? Because you don't want to close everything, and after that, there's some kind of slow leak going on in there, and then it's gonna be really pain in the butt. You know, you don't want to open the wall again. All right. So that's all for the plumbing, and until next time, we'll do another video whenever something comes up. All right. Thanks again.